day. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. I am Hameralicia G. Andal, 21 years of age, and I live in Al-Ittihad, Bagudos, Cotabato City. I am from the Department of College of Business and Public Administration, and my course is Business Administration, major in Human Resources Management. So today, I am gonna be answering the question that you given to us. Here's the first question. What is Administrative Office Management? Administrative Office Management ensures efficient operation by overseeing tasks like equipment, maintenance, support, management, and space optimizing. Key duties include resource management, staff, supervision, policy implementations, and technology integration. Effective management boosts organizations' efficient productivity and success, achieving business goals, improving morals, and cutting cost skills. Administrative management are indispensable for organization success. Administrative management is essential for organization effectiveness, focusing on planning, organizing, directing, and controlling office work to boost productivity. Key responsibilities include resource management, personnel supervisions, policy implements, and technology integration. This ensures efficient operation, support business goals, and reduce costs. Primary sources offer first-hand costs or direct evidence of event, while secondary sources analyze and interpret primary materials, providing context and analyzing for as researchers. Understanding these distinctions is vital for evaluating information and drawing informed conclusions in research. As a head of administration, I prioritize clear communications, efficient workflows, and a supportive work environment. Implement regular feedback mechanism, fostering a culture of collaborating, providing ample training opportunities would be essentials. Additionally, ensuring transparency in decision-making processes and recognizing and rewarding employees' contributions would contribute to creating the best managed office. Common issue in administrative office management often stem from indicate communication channels, unclear rules and responsibilities, and insufficient training. Lack of coordination between departments, outdated technology, and ineffective delegation can also hinder productivity. Address this issue requires implement streamlined communication protocols, clarify the job expectation, investing in staff development, and updating technology infrastructure to ensure smoother operation and better than management.